guys, I'm Mayank. I'm a project manager of Wembley Stadium. Welcome to our special video episode podcast on the legendary Wembley Stadium. Today we are delving into the rich history, fascinating facts, as well as the behind the scene insight of the iconic landmark. Joining me are the members of our team, expert team, each bringing a unique perspective to the table. Let's dive right in.
Hi guys, I'm Shubham and I'm the resource manager of Wembley Stadium project. Today we are talking about the Wembley Stadium, and if we are talking about the Wembley Stadium, I must say one thing. Wembley Stadium is just not any stadium. It's a symbol of sporting excellence and architectural greatness. Did you know that Wembley Stadium having a capacity of 90,000 spectators with the impressive size of 315 meters rooftop, and there is a arc which is 133 meters, and this arc carries 75% weightage of the roof. As a resource manager, I am here to shed some light on some fascinating facts about Wembley Stadium construction and design. The construction of Wembley Stadium required a staggering amount of material. To be precise, it took 90,000 cubic meters of concrete and 23,000 tons of steel to build this masterpiece. Fun fact, this is enough concrete to make 1500 swimming Olympic size swimming pool and still build more than 2 Eiffel Towers.
Hi everyone, my name is Audrey Maloba and I'm the project coordinator for the Wembley Stadium. As a project coordinator, I had the privilege of overseeing the intricate planning and execution phases of the Wembley Stadium project. Did you know that the stadium construction spanned for several years and involved meticulous planning, coordination and teamwork? From conducting a feasibility study to engaging stakeholders and securing funding, every step was carefully orchestrated to ensure that the project was a success. Despite facing challenges such as delay and design changes, our team remained resilient and focused on delivering the excellence. One interesting fact is that Wembley Stadium can be converted into an athletic venue. Thanks to a removable platform, the stadium can accommodate a track and field events, albeit a reduced capacity of about 6,800 spectators.
Hi guys, I'm Aman. I'm the procurement manager for the Wembley Stadium construction. I played a vital role in assuring the seamless coordination between the resources and the contractors. Did you know that the Wembley Stadium construction involved in the collaboration with the diverse arrays of the contractors and the consultants, from the main contractors, that is the multiplex constructions, to the structural engineers and also the steel contractors. Each and every team member played a vital role in the shaping of the Wembley legacy. In spite of facing procurement issues and disputes, our team dedication and perseverance never wavered. Another interesting fact about the Wembley Stadium is that its impressive circumference. Its circumference is 1 kilometer. To put that into that perspective, if you were to walk around the Wembley Stadium, then you will have to cover 12 football fields laid down end to end.
Hello, my name is Bikramjit Kaur and I was assigned as a risk manager during the construction of the Wembley Stadium, UK. It was my responsibility as a risk manager to identify all the dangers and put mitigation plan on it to run this project smoothly. Did you know during the construction of the stadium, the unexpected delays and the technical issues were occurred, but owing to the appropriate proactive problem-solving solutions, we tried to make this project very smoothly and give the outstanding stadium for the world. Wembley Stadium is completed because of the team spirit and the hardship of the team with the determination in a face of hardship. You know, the one fun fact about the Wembley Stadium, this Wembley Stadium is famous owing to its arc, because this arc is a unique from all over the world. It is the highest arc, rising 133 meters. It does not only show the power of the architecture, but it can be clearly visible all over the London, which makes it unique from all the stadiums, and it glows more brightly during the night, and it shows a symbol of the high power spirit of an athlete.
As we dive deeper into the rich tapestry of Wembley Stadium history, Let's uncover some more fascinating facts that make this iconic landmark truly remarkable. Did you know that the original Wembley Stadium, often referred to as the Empire Stadium, was built in 1923 and at the same year FA Cup final held in the Wembley Stadium? It quickly became a symbol of national pride and sporting heritage.
The decades, Wembley Stadium has witnessed countless historic moments that have left an incredible mark on the world of sports, from legendary football matches and thrilling concerts to iconic events like CAD and the Olympic Games. Wembley has been at a forefront global entertainment.
Wembley's significance extends beyond the realm of sports and entertainment. Did you know the stadium's famous Twin Towers, which adorn the old Wembley, were not just architectural marvels, but also served as a beacon of hope during the World War II? They remained standing tall amidst the devastation, symbolizing resilience, unity in the face of
In
adversity.
the present day, Wembley Stadium is the state of the art of the construction and the technical advancement which never fails to wow spectators. One such innovation is the partially flexible roof of the stadium, which is easily moved to let sunshine at the any area of the pitch, which makes or gives the guarantee to the athletes to play at the in any condition on the pitch, and it gives the more appropriate views to the guest as well.
Fascinating feature for the Wembley Stadium is state-of-art pitch, which consists of hybrid surface grass reinforced with artificial fiber. This innovative technology not only enhances the durability of the pitch but also ensures the playing condition regardless to weather or the heavy uses.
Beyond its architectural marvels and the technological advancement, Wembley Stadium holds a special place in the heart of the football fans from all around the globe. It's not just a venue, it's a passion, camaraderie, and the unifying power of the sport. Whether it's the roar of the crowd or the thrill victory or the magic of the sad moment. For as a project coordinator, what do you think? How they were overcome from all the challenges they have faced during the project life cycle?
One of the biggest challenges that we experienced in the construction of Wembley Stadium was delays and cost overruns. Originally, the project was projected to be completed in 2003. The stadium faced numerous setbacks, including issues with the construction of the iconic arc. These delays resulted in increased costs, leading to concerns about the project's financial viability. Another challenge that we experienced was engineering challenge, where the construction of the retractable roof and the massive arc were engineering feats. The arc in particular presented challenges in terms of the size and complexity. It needed to be constructed off the site in some sections and then assembled on site. So precision engineering was required to ensure that the arc segment fits together seamlessly. These challenges were overcome through a combination of many things. There was engineering solutions, meticulous project management, and a collaboration between various stakeholders within the project. Additional resources were also allocated to address issues that arose, and there was a contingency plan that was implemented to mitigate the risks. Despite the setbacks, the stadium was eventually completed and opened to the public in 2007, albeit being behind schedule and over the budget.
You are the procurement manager at Wembley Stadium. So can you tell me or define me what was the problem with the Wembley Stadium project?
Wembley Stadium project encountered significant challenges including extensive delays, budget overruns and disputes. Delays in construction pushed back the completion date, leading to frustration among stakeholders. Budget overruns exceeded initial estimates by the substantial margin, straining financial resources and prompting criticism of project management. Numerous design changes and scope alterations added complexity to the construction process and disrupted timelines. Procurement issues, including disputes with the contractors and allegations of irregularities, further complicated the project. Legal disputes between the various parties involved in construction delays and added to project complexity. Overall, these changes collectively hampered the progress of Wembley Stadium project, impacting its timeline, budget, and overall success.
One more thing. You know, in any project, the finance is really crucial or play important role in that. So can you tell me and categorize in that way that who financed Wembley Stadium?
Wembley National Stadium Limited, the operating entity behind Wembley Stadium, functions as wholly owned subsidiary of the Football Association in collaboration with the Sports England, a government agency dedicated to advancing sports development. £20 million in funding has been allocated towards a stadium project, specifically for non-stadium infrastructure enhancements within the Wembley area. Additionally, government agency, formerly known as the Sports Councils and now responsible for leading sport development in England, oversees the administration of the sports section of the National Lottery with a £120 million development agency. London Economic Development Body plays a vital role in promoting economical renewal and development as one of 9 regional development agencies. The LDA, the working in conjunction with the mayor, businesses and the other organizations, contributes £21 million Wembley Stadium project, benefiting all Londoners through economic development and regeneration initiatives for the capital.
It's a resource manager. Could you try and give an overview of your role and responsibility in the Wembley Stadium project?
As the resource manager for the Wembley Stadium project, my role encompassed a range of responsibilities focused on the efficient allocation and management of personnels, materials, equipments, and budgetary resources. My key responsibilities are in categories. The first way is resource planning and allocation. In this process, simplify the planning and distribution of resources by increasing cooperation between several areas, including finance, operation, events, and maintenance. In this role, oversaw the creation of extensive resource plans that were customized to satisfy the various requirements of every industry, allowing for the most efficient use of labor, supplies, and machinery to fulfill project deadlines and goals. The second one is personal management. In this division, HR division to coordinate hiring, onboarding, and scheduling procedures, emphasize the importance of a friendly and cooperative work atmosphere that is built on open communication and teamwork. Proactive in adjusting our workforce number to meet the changing needs of the variety of events held at Wembley Stadium, guaranteeing seamless operation, the first-rate guest experience. The third one is material and equipment procurement. In this process, we collaborated closely with the procurement teams to evaluate, choose, and screen supply of the supplies and machinery need for the project. Oversaw the deployment of efficient procurement techniques, and we will negotiate contracts to maximize economy and guarantee on delivery of the products. Carefully track stock levels to prevent shortages and develop trusting connection with important supplier, result in a smooth supply chain management process that lasted the project lifetime. Fourth one is budget management. This is really important for any resource or any project because in this process, we oversaw the creation of budget for resources related activities and made sure that they were in line with the projects. Overall, financial goals carried out methodical budget assessments, aggressively sought for the areas to cut costs, and used tactics to maximize resource use. Close work with finance teams to monitor and record budget performance.
So let's talk about the risks occurred during the project. What were the budget risk problems that occurred during the construction of the Wembley Stadium UK? And how did the risk manager mitigate these problems?
There were large cost overruns that threatened the project's budget when the UK Wembley Stadium was being constructed. Its initial budget was £757 million, but the actual cost was £1.2 billion. To control the budget overturns, strict monitoring and control procedures were taken, like timely budget check help spot any overturns before they happen, putting stronger budgetary restrictions in place to reduce wasteful spending, negotiating low prices whenever possible with suppliers as well as with the contractors, looking at cheaper building techniques or material without sacrificing the quality, adjusting the project plan to reduce delay and maximize resource allocation, both of which could result in extra responses.
So Vikramjit, what were the other risk factors which affect Wembley Stadium?
The project also had to deal with the difficult information flow issues and a shortage of a suitable financial aid. Furthermore, the contractor was quite sensible. They were not feel secure to flow any information related to the construction of the stadium, which prevented the stockholders to know that how the stadium was coming along with. This also makes the public very inconvenient because they were listening a lot of fake news related to the stadium, because the public was play a very crucial role during the construction of the stadium, as there the money from the taxes of the public is used during the construction of the stadium. All of these things were looked by the sponsor, who was the government. They were very concerned related to this stadium, and they planned to file the suit against the contractor. One of the threats associated with the fixed price contract is the possibility of a legal action against the contractor for project delay. A further issue with the project was the absence of the coordination and the cooperation between the junior staff and the senior staffs. It is very surprisingly thing in the during the whole construction that the junior staff was much aware about the knowledge of the stadiums as compared to the senior staffs. Junior staff was much aware that the project is going to delay going to delay during the construction, but the superior supervisors were refusing all these things. This is the result of the constant lack of effort in interacting with the local employers to learn about
You have seen our video. In this video, we have discussed about the whole project life cycle and what are the factors affecting due to this project, such as the risk procurement, how this project goes, and how they have how we have overcome from this all the issues. And despite this all issues, I'm gonna talk about the one more thing which is very important to the each and every project: the milestones. The milestones we have achieved in this project was, first one was the demolition of the original stadium. Then after reconstruction of the stadium, completion of arc, installation of the roof, pitch installation, the testing event, and then after lastly the official opening of the stadium, which was held in 17th March 2007. As we conclude our exploration of the Wembley Stadium project, it's evident that the journey has been filled with the both triumph and the challenges. From the ambitious vision of creating world-class stadium to the realities of navigating delays, budget overruns, and disputes. Every twist and turns has shaped this iconic landmark story. As a project manager, I have witnessed firsthand the dedication, perseverance, and the collaboration of the countless individuals. As we look towards the future, let us celebrate enduring legacy of Wembley Stadium and the countless countless to create for the generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and until next time, this is Mayank signing off.